and sales of woodworking machines. Our Company Limited was established in 2015 and is located in Qingdao, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 1,300 square meters. We are a manufacturing company engaged in the research. Development include sliding table saw, computer CNC panel saw, wood sanding and polishing machine, metal deburring and polishing machine, edge banding machine, 6-row woodworking drilling machine, CNC router, clamp carrier, wood planer, wood jointer, etc. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Canada, Brazil, Germany, France, Denmark, and other EU countries, Southeast Asia, Russia, Australia, New Zealand, etc. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because
经过了第一个10年之后，我们第二个10年要去哪里？是我们